Welcome in my channel. So today we're gonna talk about start your SEO career or freelancing sites. So you can start your SEO career on freelancing sites. We're gonna talk about in in detail about this. So let's start our topic. SEO is basically search engine optimization. So SEO has become a so interest in our websites. So SEO has become a really famous to make money. You can make a lot of money through your SEO career. So how you can start your professional SEO career like SEO experts, you can register on the plenty of sites available on the internet and provide the services to the customer through these freelancing platforms. So there are freelancing sites who can give you an opportunity to register and become uh, an SEO expert for them to provide services, and you will make handsome amount by providing SEO expert services. So the first step for you to SEO career to recognize your SEO knowledge. Keywords research, backlinks, link building, black hat SEO, white hat SEO. Build your own website is the other factor for you to start your career. Set your value, work hard, and look at what the leading SEO experts are doing. Copy them is the another factor for you. You will learn a lot of from their experience. Continue learning. Use SEO tools. For you, having the right SEO tools can make your freelancer life easier. Provide you know how to use these solutions also. Besides being familiar with SEO, actually essential for you. Here are the tools I have in mind. Big Cloud. Big Cloud is a really big queues. Rank intelligence is the perfect tool you can use to find out exactly which keywords you rank for. So there are plenty of ways for you to start your SEO career on freelancing sites and make handsome amount. There are plenty of sites like Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, and there are plenty of other sites for you to start your SEO career on these sites and provide services to customer and make the handsome amount of money by providing your SEO expert services